Ready, set, school. Back to school 2025 to 2026. Hi friends, are you ready for the 2025 to 2026 school year? Let's get prepared so your first day is full of fun, learning and smiles. First, let's pack your school bag. Here's what you might need: pencils, erasers and crayons, notebooks or folders, your lunchbox and water bottle, and your homework, if you already have some. Before school starts, try going to bed early and waking up on time. That way, your body will be ready for early mornings. Remember, a good night's sleep helps your brain learn better. Lay out your clothes the night before, whether it's your school uniform or your favorite outfit. This saves time in the morning and makes getting ready super easy. Don't skip breakfast. Eating healthy foods gives you the energy to focus, play, and have fun at school. Remember safety rules. Look both ways before crossing the street. Walk with a friend or family member. Always listen to your parents, teachers, and crossing guards. On your first day, bring a big smile. Be kind to your classmates, and don't be afraid to say hello. School is not just for learning, it's for making friends too. So remember, pack your things, get good sleep, eat breakfast, be safe, and be friendly. Have a wonderful 2025 to 2026 school year. You're going to do amazing.